Hey there! So glad you're back on the channel. You guys are the best. Today's video is going to be epic, so get ready for some amazing content. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Let's get started. Ever wondered how your brain works? Today, we're exploring the mysteries of this incredible organ. You won't believe what it's capable of. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ that controls every aspect of our lives. Here's a breakdown of some key parts and their functions. The cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain, responsible for higher-level functions like thinking, reasoning, emotions, and voluntary movement. It's divided into two hemispheres, left and right, that are connected by a thick band of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. Each hemisphere has 4 lobes. Frontal lobe controls personality, behavior, emotions, and voluntary movement. Parietal lobe processes sensory information like touch, temperature, and pain. Temporal lobe processes auditory information, hearing, plays a role in memory and emotion. Occipital lobe responsible for processing visual information. The cerebellum. Located beneath the cerebrum, the cerebellum plays a crucial role in coordinating movement, balance, and posture. Brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls vital functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, swallowing, consciousness. When does the brain stop developing? Most brain development happens between birth and your teenage years. But your brain continues developing throughout your 20s. Brain development typically peaks by middle age. Important note: your brain is an essential organ that allows you to perceive and interact with the world around you. It receives and interprets all the sensory information you encounter. A range of conditions can affect your brain. You can support your brain health by sleeping well, eating a healthy diet, exercising, and making other healthy lifestyle choices. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.